Hi guys, welcome. So this is the S10 shield. So we're going to be unpacking this, and then I'm going to tell you how to fix this also. The pack comes in like this, which consists of a shield, MRP sticker, and the instructions are here, and with the frame here. So first let me unpack this. So after unpacking, I put the cover aside, and then I get the frame here and the instruction sheet which shows how to fix it, and we have the shield here. So, and this foam, it has a velcro here where you can adjust the length for whatever size you want, a big larger one or a shorter one on your forehead. So, and this can be sanitized also and washed also. It has a button, you can remove it and then fix it. And so now coming to the shield, how to fix this. So we have 3 holes here for S10, 1, 2 and 3. So I'm gonna remove them, one, second one and the third one. So, and then this shield comes with a masking so that there is no scratch being done. And then when you do this, you need to just peel this out. So now the shield is clear in vision. So now to fix this, so first you can either start with the right side or the left side. So I'm going to start with the left side here. I fix this first. I put this one on first without pulling this, just fix the shield. And second one, the hole is here, this one. And third, while fixing this, please don't fiddle with this, just pull the sheet and then fix it like this. So now the S10, the shield is ready. And to unpack is the same way. You can just pull the shield and then remove it, sanitize, wash it, and then you can fix it back. Done. Thank you.